We all seen the prices of beef going crazy in the last 6 months, and it looks like it's gonna be like that for a while. And while we all complain about why and the reasons and if the earth is flat and all that, Porky is still there, hiding within the shells, sad, crying and begging for us to find it. So today we're going to fix that problem, and I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite things in the world. Tacos de chicharrones. Yes, today we are making tacos de chicharrones. And once you try this, it will become a holiday dish in your house. And we will make it all from scratch, so you can learn it all, baby. And believe me, when I say scratch, I mean scratch. Let's go. First, we're gonna make an amazing Pico De Gallo that will make your eyes roll back when you try it. We are making this first because we want to allow the spices and juices time to fall in love with each other. For that, we will cut some tomatoes into small cubes and do the same thing with an onion. The cuts don't have to be similar, but it's a lot easier to eat if all of them are cut at more or less the same size. To that, we will add cilantro, salt, and right away the use of an entire lime. Mixed up and put on the side. And there is a rule in my house: if we are making tacos, we are making guacamole. For the guacamole, I got the ripest avocados I could find and cut it into small cubes before dropping it in the molcajete. To this, we add the juice of half a lemon and salt. I also like to add pepper, but it is optional. And voila, we have the guac ready for tacos. Okay, I will jump into the chicharrones right away. I have this beautiful pork belly that only cost me $12, and the first thing we will do is to make some cuts on it. These cuts, while being deep, are not being cut all the way and should be done along the longer part of the belly. Now we flip the pork belly and cut all the way at about 1 inch thick. The results should look like this. As you can see, the first cut were deep but not all the way, and that will allow the meat to cook much easier after it is just hanging from the skin. To this, we are just adding salt and let it to rest while we get the grill ready for the cook. Sa! And you thought I was going to fry these chicharrones? Oh no, baby, we're gonna grill the heck out of this. Once the grill is ready, you need some skewers. In my case, I have these ones a friend of mine sent to me some time ago, and I put it to work. First, I will set the chicharrones on the skewers and try to fit as many as possible, always allowing space between the pieces of meat. And once you have it all ready, just set the skewers on the grill and flip every 5 minutes or so. Keep an eye on the meat, make sure it's not burning, and as you can see, the sides here burn a little bit, but that's something very easy to fix. Once the chicharrones have the color you like, in my case this golden brown color is my favorite, you can pull them from the heat and allow them to rest for 10 minutes before cutting into it. Now, let's see how good they really are. For tacos, I like to cut my chicharrones into small pieces, as they fit in the tortillas better that way. And talking about tortillas, it is time to make ours. Tortillas are very simple to make, and all you need is maseca flour ready to go. Mix 1 cup of flour with 1 cup of water, and knead until they are not sticking on your fingers anymore. Make a little ball with the dough, and there is no need to weigh them out, just eyeball it, and press them down with anything you have at hand. In my case, I have this press, but you can use a Ziploc bag right on top of the table, and with a heavy pan, put some pressure on it. And voila, these homemade tortillas are ready to heat up. Set a pan on the stove at high heat and throw your tortillas in it. As soon as you start seeing these little burn marks, flip them around and do the same to the other side. And with all the ingredients of our tacos ready, it is time to assemble. First, a nice tortilla. To that we add the guacamole, and the chicharrones come next. And please add as much as you possibly can. And the last thing will be the Pico De Gallo. Also, I like to add lemon juice to my tacos and some thin slices of onion. And finally, we are ready for the taste test. Well, guys, what do you think about these tacos here? What about it, Miss Ninja? What do you think?
Love is in the air.
Tacos de chicharrones, guys.
Chicharrón.
I'm telling you, if you try this at home, you're gonna love it, but it's time for us to give this a try.
Let's do it.
And Miss Ninja is gonna tell me how much she liked it.
There we go.
Let's go, Miss Ninja.
Let's go.
Get a taco.
These are huge.
Yeah.
Ninja.
There's no decent taco that let itself bent over. This is a good taco.
Let's do it.
Mmm.
Oh my God.
Guys, all I can tell you is that thing tastes delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Guys, this is awesome. This is something that you have to try at home. But let's allow Miss Ninja to talk. What do you think about Miss Ninja?
I love it. I mean, chicharrón, I can eat it day, night, evening, anytime, lunch, break, whatever.
Those are homemade tortillas.
I love the tortillas. Let me tell you something. When you try homemade versus whatever you buy in the store.
Yeah, and it's simple, guys. All you need to do is get that maseca flour. It's half amount of maseca flour, half amount of our water. Mix it up a little bit. You can throw a little bit of pork fat in there. It's gonna give it an even better taste.
Yes, it will.
But they are not gonna bubble. These guys here didn't bubble, but well, you know, that was the whole idea. It didn't bubble. But guys, this is easy. Pork is cheap. You guys should go and buy it and give beef a little break because it's crazy the price.
Yes, what's going on? What's going on?
Let me ask you something, guys.
What?
Did I make you hungry?
Oh, did we?
If I made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
There's another airplane going.
Bye.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family,
Yes,
and
do
don't
so.
forget to share these videos on your social network.
Do it.
That one's coming close.
Oh, yeah.
This is
And
gonna
you know
land
what?
here.
Hey, tell them to meet us on Instagram, too.
Guys, yeah, check us out on Instagram. We have a lot of stuff going on Instagram.
Yes, we do.
I allow Miss Ninja to take cover. She's making a lot of crazy stuff there. And it's a lot of fun. So check our Instagram out. And that's all for today. Remember that I'm leaving everything I use down there in the description.
Down there.
I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye. Love you, too. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.